Hey everyone! Looking for the best blender on Amazon that's actually worth your money? In today's video, I'm reviewing the top 6 highest rated blenders loved by home cooks, fitness fans, and tech lovers. From powerful smoothie makers to professional grade kitchen systems, these blenders can crush ice, blend frozen fruit, and make meal prep super easy. Let's find your perfect blender today. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product smart kitchen reviews. Product number 1. Vitamix 5200 Professional Grade Blender. The Vitamix 5200 Professional Grade Blender is one of the most powerful and trusted blenders on Amazon, and honestly, it deserves the hype. This blender features a high-performance motor that easily crushes ice, frozen fruit, nuts, and even tough vegetables within seconds. I really love the variable speed control because it gives precise texture customization for smoothies, soups, sauces, and nut butter. The large 64-ounce container is perfect for families, meal prep, or entertaining guests. Another major advantage is its self-cleaning feature, which saves a lot of time in the kitchen. The stainless steel blades are built for durability and consistent blending performance. If you're someone who blends every day and wants a premium quality machine that lasts for years, the Vitamix 5200 is definitely one of the best investments you can make. It's powerful, reliable, and perfect for serious smoothie lovers and home chefs. Product number 2. Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. The Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System is an amazing all-in-one blender and food processor that offers incredible value for the price. What makes this blender stand out is its versatility. You can blend smoothies, crush ice, process vegetables, mix dough, and even make frozen drinks using its powerful 1500-watt motor. I really like how it includes multiple attachments, including a large pitcher, food processor bowl, and personal smoothie cups for on-the-go convenience. The total crushing technology works extremely well for frozen fruit and ice, making restaurant-quality smoothies at home. This blender is especially great for busy families, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who wants multiple kitchen functions in one machine. The controls are simple and beginner-friendly, while the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup easy. If you're searching for the best blender for smoothies, meal prep, and versatility on Amazon, the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System is absolutely worth checking out. Product number 3. Vitamix Explorian E310 Blender. The Vitamix Explorian E310 blender delivers professional blending performance in a more compact and affordable design. This blender is ideal for smaller kitchens while still providing the powerful performance Vitamix is known for. It features 10 variable speeds that allow you to create everything from silky smoothies to chunky salsa with complete control. The hardened stainless steel blades are designed to handle tough ingredients like frozen fruit, seeds, and nuts effortlessly. I personally like the pulse feature because it gives better texture control when preparing recipes. The 48-ounce container is perfect for medium-sized servings and everyday use. Another great benefit is the durable construction that's built to last for years. Whether you're making protein shakes, soups, peanut butter, or healthy smoothies, this blender performs exceptionally well. For fitness fans and home cooks looking for premium blending power without spending too much, the Vitamix Explorian E310 is a fantastic choice on Amazon. Product number 4. Glass blenders for kitchen. Glass blenders for kitchen are becoming increasingly popular because they combine durability, style, and excellent blending performance. Unlike plastic jars, glass blender jars resist odors, stains, and scratches much better over time. I really like how these blenders provide a cleaner taste, especially when blending smoothies, juices, and protein shakes daily. Most top-rated glass blenders on Amazon come with strong stainless steel blades and multiple speed settings that handle fruits, vegetables, and ice with ease. They're also perfect for people who prefer eco-friendly kitchen appliances. Another big advantage is the elegant modern design that looks great on kitchen countertops. Many glass blenders are affordable while still offering reliable power for everyday blending tasks. Whether you're preparing healthy smoothies, sauces, soups, or milkshakes, a quality glass blender can easily improve your kitchen experience. If durability and cleaner blending matter to you, glass blenders are definitely worth considering this year.
Product number 5. Ninja CREAMi Deluxe Ice Cream Maker. The Ninja CREAMi Deluxe Ice Cream Maker is one of the most exciting kitchen appliances for dessert lovers and smoothie fans. This machine allows you to create homemade ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, mix-ins, frozen yogurt, and protein treats with incredible ease. What I really love is the customization. You can control ingredients, sugar levels, flavors, and mix-ins for healthier desserts at home. The deluxe version includes larger containers and additional programs for more recipe flexibility. Its advanced Creamify technology transforms frozen bases into smooth and creamy desserts within minutes. This appliance is especially perfect for fitness enthusiasts who want high-protein ice cream or low-calorie frozen treats. The user-friendly controls make operations simple, even for beginners. Cleanup is also quick, thanks to dishwasher-safe parts. If you enjoy experimenting with frozen desserts and healthy recipes, the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe is one of the top-rated kitchen gadgets available on Amazon right now.
Product number 6. nutribullet Full-Size Blender Combo. The nutribullet Full-Size Blender Combo is an excellent option for people who want both convenience and powerful blending performance. This blender combines a large blending pitcher with personal cups, making it perfect for families and busy individuals. I really enjoy how easily it handles smoothies, frozen fruit, ice, sauces, soups, and protein shakes using its powerful motor. The multiple speed settings and pulse control provide flexibility for different recipes and textures. One feature that stands out is the nutrient extraction capability, which helps create smoother and healthier drinks. The blender is also compact enough to fit comfortably in most kitchens while still offering strong performance. The included travel cups are great for quick morning smoothies before heading out. Cleanup is simple because many parts are dishwasher safe. If you're searching for a reliable blender combo for everyday kitchen use, healthy smoothies, and meal prep, the nutribullet Full-Size Blender Combo is a smart Amazon choice. Thanks for watching my top 6 top-rated blenders on Amazon review. I hope this video helped you find the perfect blender for your kitchen and lifestyle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Also, check the links in the description for prices and latest deals.